Hi there. Did you know that with the help of AI, you can not only find the perfect name for your business, but also choose the perfect fonts and colors, thus creating a unique style? Namelix is the perfect service to realize these tasks. Namelix Service is a powerful tool that incorporates artificial intelligence capabilities to generate names and create an original visual style for your business. It helps you find a sound and memorable name. With Namelix, you can not only experiment with a variety of names, but also create a harmonious visual image that will attract the attention of customers and distinguish your business among competitors. To select ideas for our niches, let's enter keywords. Click on Generate. Here we can select a name style. If you want to view all styles, you can select one of them. Choosing Auto. Select Generation Randomness. In Generation, Low picks up the most direct name ideas. In Medium, more creative results. At High, more varied results. Select Medium. This is where you will find the brand info. You can put a brief description of what your business or product is about. Click on Generate. Wait for the service to suggest ideas for our niche. In the end, as you can see, the service offered many different unique ideas for the niche. If you hover over it, you can find out more information about the name. There are descriptions of AI feedback name. Shows unavailable and available domains for selected name. Let's take food law as an example. By clicking on the three dots, you can share the idea with someone else. You can also duplicate an idea. On Ideas, you can find different color ideas, font ideas, icon ideas, layout ideas. You can also change the idea. Change the name of the idea. Choose a font for the idea. There are much different customization to change the idea to suit your style. You can save the idea so that you don't lose the idea. To save an idea, you need to authorize the account if created. You can select Sign in with Google, Sign in with email. You can also purchase the idea in, which includes Design's idea. Namelix is mainly used for generating ideas. By clicking on an idea, you can see the ideas in the type of presentation. Namelix offered a unique opportunity to showcase the identity of its niche name in a short period of time. In the settings, you can choose a style for the idea. Choosing a style for a logo. As you can see, Namelix offers different styles for logos. You can choose other styles for the logo if needed. We can switch the display mode to grid mode if needed. This is an awesome AI tool that you'll probably want to use to find business name ideas. In this video, you learned how to find the perfect business name and style from Namelix service. Thank you very much for watching.